Guys, Unboxing USA 1234 here. Single shot FIA shotgun versus a bottle. Used to have water in it. Took it out pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and shoot the rest of this bag. I'm shooting about 75 rounds out of this one today, about 100 through my 12 gauge. Just shooting down there at the target, you know. Perfect stress reliever. You know, when you kind of pissed off, helps a little bit just to be able to throw some lead down range. Just forget about your problems, you know. Down to 4 rounds. I'm going to shoot them all. 1, 2, 3. That one didn't hit nowhere in here. This fourth one, I'm going to pull. Oh, that's hot. Pull up a little bit. Got it. Thanks for watching, guys. That target was already screwed up, so there ain't no need in showing it. Have a good one.